Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by. I'm making card number 3 for the card kits that I'm putting together for the assisted living home that my mom lives at. I volunteer there once a month and I do a craft or cards or a painting class or something like that. But for this month, I'm going to be doing Valentine cards. Now let me explain to you all that I've got here. This is a tag that I use the print then cut feature, and it's from the Valentine's Day Cricut Design Space images. The font, I'm trying to figure out what it is. I'm not really sure about that because I already used it and deleted it, so I should have saved it. Anyway, so if you know that font, leave a comment. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a little bit of this really cute rickrack. I love saying rickrack. Isn't that a fun word? And I'm going to staple it on here with the Tim Holtz stapler. Now they put the cards together. If this is going to make any sense, all the pieces together, but the things that have layers or added stuff like this, I do it ahead of time for them. All right, perfect. All right, so this is the little envelope. Let's go ahead and put this together using my 1/8 inch score tape. This envelope is from Don Juan Cricut Design Space. And I cut it down to 3 inches. I probably want that on the outside. Oh, it's not going to show, so who cares? The other envelopes that I did, I actually did it on the inside, but it's not going to show. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and put a piece of foam tape on the back of that. This makes it easy for them to just peel it off and stick it on. Then I went ahead and designed my own Sealed with a Kiss, SWAK, and that comes from the Cricut Keystone font. And because it's sort of difficult for them to glue like tiny little things like this, I am going to put it on this white piece of paper instead of directly on the mat that I'm about to show you. I think it pops out as well. I have a little design of like a kissing mouth. Let me go grab that. I forgot to take it off the mat. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is, the little mouth. And I got this from Proud to be Hispanic. I think this is a new image set that just came out. And I'm going to just put that right about there. Now they can put it wherever they want, but actually no, I'm going to go ahead and assemble this for them. All right. I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping. I have this as the border, and this came from Edge to Edge from the Cricut Design Space. Hugs and Kisses, perfect Valentine's Day stamp set. And I'm going to be doing, this is from Cards TV. Maybe Hugs and Kisses, why not? All right, this is 110 pound cardstock. I already got it folded, so not a problem. I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp it in black. Try to get that in the middle. The grid on this will help me put it on straight. So it looks like it's pretty good. Yay me. All right, I'll go ahead and leave a Cards TV link for you if you guys want to get this. I'm not sure if it's still available. I've had it for a while, but might as well check it out. Won't hurt. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side. And let's put the card together. If you're doing a mat like this that has holes in it, make sure you don't put the glue on the holes. I would know that from experience, because the glue will ooze out. Now I'm thinking back on all the cards that we've made, and I don't think I've ever done one that had a design to it. I always just cut it straight. So this will be fun. All right, so I'm going to fold this back, tear this off, and I'm going to put it right at an angle. Trying to measure here how I want this to go. I definitely want to cut this off a little bit. Great. And then this is going to go right down here. I am actually looking for, I have a stamp that is a stamp, and I was thinking how cute it would be to put that right here. So this is a little tag. It's going to go inside here, or so I say. And then they can just take it out and put it in, whoever their people are, the recipients. All right, so that is the third card. All done. Finished putting my kids together. I got everything cut out. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any helpful suggestions or comments, I appreciate you doing that in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Have a great day.